Hey, so, all right. Here, wait, no, if you're new, better show you something. It's gonna blow your mind. Um, I mean, if you're not new, it's obviously gonna blow your mind again. But if you are, I mean, you're about to see it. It's it is. Wait for it. Ah, there it is. The video hook. So, you know, uh, yeah, it's a pretty neat hook. Anyway, that was the video hook. So, of course, you are kind of like hooked on the video now. So, you got to keep watching. Um, that's just usually how these things go. I think I was gonna make a potato farm because I remember last episode I knew I would forget, so I put these potatoes in a really weird assortment like this. Um, and I knew I was gonna forget to make the potato farm, but now because I saw that, I remembered. So I'm gonna go make a hoe, and I guess I'll get farming. Um, all right. So, okay, I think I'll make a little potato farm right here. I mean, it's a big patch of empty land, so I might as well take advantage of it. Okay. Um, let me just. I'm digging out too much land. I don't have enough potatoes for this. Uh, is that all the potatoes? Okay. Let's... Yeah, whatever. Okay, we'll grow those and then we'll get more. Let's. Oopsies. Okay, there we go. Let's grab one more. And nice. Let me fill up the water here too. You know, just because. Um. Okay. So, how's everyone's day been? Hope everyone's been well. You know, maybe you had a maybe you had a Valentine's yesterday. You know, maybe you didn't. I don't know. I certainly didn't. Um, this is my dog, Dwayneson the Dwayne. It's a great dog. Really sleep. It's getting late. I'll wait for it to get later. Yes. Um. The Burberry. This is my pat. Oh shit. What berry patch? I don't know. I'm lazy, and it's an easy way to get food. Oh yeah, I remember this episode. I wanted to make an instrument since I added instruments. So make a lute. I need string. Okay, I think I have everything I need to make it. Just need a stick, and then I think I'll be good. Just go in here. Place this down. Or wait, no, it goes here. String here, and these here, and then boom, we got a little lute. Got some songs, I guess. I don't know what to play. I could play Drunken Sailor. I love the instruments in this one. Creeper. Dang. Well. It's alright. Oh, yeah, so I tried making a Discord server the other day. Or, yeah, like the other day. But, issue was, what was the issue? Oh, I don't know, like the invite link stopped working or something. It was being weird. And then literally like later that day that I made the server that I had made, or the account that I made the server on, literally got like locked out. Like I tried to, what happened was I was adding some people on Discord and then it like locked me out because I needed to verify my email. But I didn't have an email attached to that Discord account. I only had a phone number. And obviously I know my information and stuff. It's just like I had to verify with an email, but I didn't have an email to verify. And then I tried to log into Discord support, and they only let you log in if you have an email. So I can't do anything. So that's unfortunate. But it's alright. I mean, I have a different Discord account. See what else is on here. Okay, I gotta figure out what I'm doing this episode. I think wait for my potatoes to grow. So I'm just a humble potato farmer now. I love these songs. Game of Thrones theme. So you guys, isn't this great music? Oh wait, okay, I sure hope that this doesn't get copyrighted. I don't think it would, but there's a chance, so if that happens, then I'll just not use it as much in later episodes, you know. I guess I don't really care if it gets copyrighted. It's not like I'm trying to make any money or anything. Okay, I'll put away the instrument. Okay. So, I think today's episode will probably be a little bit of a shorter one. I'm recording this a lot earlier in the day, but I think I'm going to set it to upload later in the night just because, I don't know. Here, this could be a contender too. I don't know. I don't know, it was that angle, it was that same angle that was on, the top performing video, which is, I didn't want to go in the cave. such a... I feel like the title is just so weird and so random. It's probably why it did so well. What was the good thing over there? Da-da-da. All right. I'm just wandering at this point. No, I don't have a straight gameplay plan. I haven't been in the best mood today. Something kind of came up that I wasn't, I don't know, too happy about. So, there's that. Okay. Yeah, I guess I'm just adventuring at this point, you know, just looking around, see if I can find anything, of interest. I'm pretty sure I know the way back, so I should be fine. It's just, I've just been walking one direction. What's that? Is that a creature or something? What is that? Yeah. I'm also just like waiting for those potatoes to grow, because once they do grow, then I can turn them into potato barrels, and then with those potato barrels, I can decorate the, what do you call it? Oh, so I can decorate Blueberry Island. Yeah, you know, it's my island. It's got a little cove. It's a cool little spot. Very nice spot indeed. Okay. Would you look at that? It's you know, our good old friend, the Video Hook. God, I love that guy. I think man, these potatoes, is that potato done? Is this a done potato? I feel like I'm gonna try to break it and it's not gonna be done, but it looks pretty done to me. I guess it's not done. I don't know. Let's try. Okay, it was not a done potato. You know, things happen. Sometimes you harvest your potatoes too early. But, you know, as long as you replant them, then you can wait. for the right time to harvest. Is okay. This is stew, or is this one? So I don't know which one this one is. It could be stew or is it the other one? I think this is the other one. Yeah, the other one's not that cool. Stew's pretty cool though. I think stew's over here. Yeah. Hey, what is up, Stew? He's a great donkey. Great donkey. Great donkey. Any leads? I wonder if I have any leads. I don't think I have any leads, but I might have some leads. And if I had some leads, that'd be nice. Any leads? Ah, I don't have slime. I don't have anything to make leads with, so yeah, I don't have any leads. Damn. What an epic battle that was between me and that dastardly zombie. I can go to sleep now. There's so many mobs. 30. Oh god. God. Shield too? Okay. Ow. I wish they would give you more dirt when you collect the dirt from a creeper hole. It's like they always it's annoying. Don't ever give you enough. Right, that's the little blueberry island. It's a cool little spot. There's so many creepers. I don't like how many creepers there are. I'm gonna try to... Damn it. I'm not good. I'm not good at... I'm really bad at Minecraft. Creeper. Yeah, a creeper exploded over there once, but it was like such a good spot. I just like incorporated it into the ravine. Honestly, it's kind of cool. Glad the creeper exploded here. Oh, checked my watch time. I'm at like 33 hours on all the videos now, so that's cool. Hmm. I don't really get out as much as I should. I really like nature. I think it's really pretty. Just like there's this way of living, like living in accordance with nature, that I think is it's nice. And not even, I mean, it's like I think Marcus Aurelius talks about it a little bit in his book, but it's like living as a part of society. Um, trying to stay, virtuous, and kind of the belief that we are all made for each other. Um, so yeah, I mean, I don't know that stuff. Oh, I don't have my leather boots anymore. Well, I do have them. I just don't have them with me. I think my one of my grandparents came back home. I'll probably wrap this up here in a little bit. Um, yeah. Okay. Okay. Sorry, this was kind of a shorter video. I just wanted to put out something. Uh, yeah, this was a pretty short video. It's only like 20 minutes, but yeah. All right. I'll name this video "Living in Accordance." I feel like I don't know, maybe living in accordance with nature. I don't know. It's like here into since I titled that the video, and this is what you're gonna be clicking on for. Um, what I mean by that is like, yeah, just like trying to stay, I don't know, righteous, do the right thing. Uh, don't let selfishness overcome you, and just try to fit your place in society. I don't know. I don't know if this, and like, try to rise to your potential too. Don't. I don't want people to become too humble. I think it's great to dream enormously, but I don't know. I feel like they're just things that happen. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going with any of this, but yeah, just live your life to its greatest potential. Uh, yeah, just yeah, do what just just live life. I don't know. Okay, about to get perfectly lined up. Almost there. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm naming the title "Living with Nature." Ooh, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good lineup. I mean, I would say so. Anyway, yeah, living with nature, like, but not like with nature, but like as nature intended you live. Here, let me open those files. So I can. Dang, I don't know. This video probably won't do very well, but it's fine. People don't really. This is definitely not my greatest work. I don't know. I just felt like I needed to put out something today. Okay, I got everything. Yeah. Well, if you did watch whatever this is, thank you. I like doing it for you guys. whoever's watching. It's fun for me. All right. I'll catch you later. Bye.